In this tutorial I will show you how to install Google Chrome browser web browser in your Linux machine by yum server. Okay, first of all we know how to install a, a package by yum server. First of all we need a yum, then install, and then package name. Like I want to install Google CHROME, and then like something. Okay, but if I press enter, and it will show, it will unable to install because my default yum repo list didn't entry from where, meaning this is not available my default repo list. Okay, first of all need to create a repo file under etc yum dot repo.d, and then hit enter, and then as you can see there are some repo file. I will create a new file name Google, okay, dot repo. Repo, and then hit enter. By pressing I am able to write something Google, then hard bracket, okay, just need to read this like that. You can give any name and just okay, and then GPG check is always 0, and then save it. Okay, now our new repos file is here, repo file, from where I'll download the my Google Chrome. Okay, if we again, okay, now just hit enter yum install Google, meaning I'm going to install the Google Chrome web browser. Yeah, now it's installing. I'm pausing the video. After finishing I'll come back. As you can see they're already downloaded maybe. Okay, there are 22 dependent packages already installed by this yum command. Okay, as you can see our download is complete. Now we can able to use it. We see our on this machine, we see our machine, next machine, and application, internet, and then Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.